So this video is going to be about the glixal. Let's see, glixal. They call it a 105cc big bore kit, but its true displacement is 89, but we'll just round it up to be 90. It's absolutely massive. The piston is decent quality. I like the polished top and the dome here for extra compression. The bore seems really nice. The cross hatching is good. I don't see any casting imperfections. Well, there's that bit in there, but all of them have that. Seems to be really nice quality.
The cast iron isn't stupid thick either, compared to the stock one.
And then for size comparison, I got a stock set over here. This is an old bore that I've had kicking around for a while. It's all tuckered out. This engine, the piston kissed the valve. That was really bad. Picked it up that way. I didn't do that. But look at the size difference. Just gonna... yeah. And this is a 60cc piston. This is a 44 millimeter. And... yeah. 52.4 millimeters is what it's advertised. Let's see. There. Hold that. Zero it.
Remember, the skirt's a little bit bigger than where the rings go.
Well, it says it's 51, but, well, this is a Harbor Freight caliper set, so...
we'll close it and see if it goes to 0 or a negative number. Let's
see what the bore says.
Well, that can't be right.
Yeah.
50...
dang it.
Whoops.
Dang it, Bobby.
51.8, so like 52.
Yep.
Ish.
And the stock bore is a 39.
Well, that's the stock bore right there. So. 38.7, so yeah.
Yeah.
Roughly. Yep.
Now, I've seen reviews about this kit where there has been valve to piston contact, and that's because people were trying to use the stock cylinder head. This is a stock cylinder head that I've done a little bit of work to, but the valves don't quite line up with the recess on the piston. So when you're going along and you're at high speed, you get any amount of valve float, and it's going to tap it, and catastrophic failure. So, you got to get the glixal 52 millimeter cylinder head. It's got oversized valves.
They don't look that much bigger in the camera. Maybe you should do the caliper and show it.
I can always remove the valve.
Yeah, there we go.
This is the intake valve.
Oh, geez. That shows it.
Yep. And even the exhaust valve is slightly larger than the intake valve.
Which, for those of you that don't know, the intake valve is always smaller than the exhaust for whatever reason. Line them up on that over there, the exhaust and the intake, so they can see.
Yep.
You can see that the intake valve is even smaller.
Yeah, This is the exhaust valve.
Oh, the exhaust valve.
Yeah.
That's nuts.
The ports are bigger.
Have you Dremeled that at all yet?
Nope, I haven't touched this one yet.
So that's stock.
And this one's slightly...
And that one's Dremeled.
I'm in the process of boring this one out. So... I'm going to be installing this setup on one of my Taos that I just recently acquired. The engine's all worn out because it's been abused. Lack of maintenance will destroy any engine.
Jane,
I have
weeping oil.
I have some worries because this is a hefty piston. But we'll see what happens. This is almost twice the weight of a stock piston. But we'll see what happens. So, again, this is a review of the Glixal brand 105cc big bore kit. True displacement of 89cc. And it comes with rings and replacement valve seals.
And
wrist pin.